Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cancel your PlayStation Plus subscription on your PS5 and turn off auto renew. So let's go ahead, jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to turn off auto renew on the PlayStation 5 so your credit card does not get charged. Now, how do you access this menu? Let's go back to the home screen on my PlayStation 5. And there's two different ways to access the payment and subscriptions page. So on the home screen, if you go to the top and then go to settings and select this option, then go down to users and accounts. Now, go to the right and go down to payment and subscriptions. And this will manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Now, if we scroll all the way down to subscriptions right here and select this, then go to PlayStation Plus. Now, under this page, we can see our PlayStation Plus membership. I have the 12-month subscription under here, and my next charge will be $59.99. And the next renewal date we can see is 1/2 of 2022. So my credit card will be charged, and the status is in use. Now at the bottom, we have two options: turn off auto renew and extend. So if we extend it, we will have to buy more PlayStation Plus. Now we can cancel our subscription at any time. So let's go to turn off auto renew at the bottom here. Now it says, are you sure you want to turn off auto renew? Your benefits will stay active until 1/2 of 2022 for me. So let's go to turn it off. Now it says, why are you turning off PlayStation Plus auto renew today? Just choose an option or go to other. I'm going to go to other and go to OK. Now it says your auto renew is now off for PlayStation Plus. You can turn it back on whenever you want before 1/2 of 2022. Okay. Now when I look at the top, it now has an expiration of 1/22 of 22. So I know auto renew is completely turned off and my credit card will not be getting charged. As well, on the bottom left here, it says turn on auto renew. So there's no longer an option to turn it off. So my auto renew is completely 100% turned off. Now, if you can't find the payment and subscriptions section under settings, go over to the PlayStation Store, then scroll all the way to the right to where it says more, the three dots in the upper right. Select this, then go to subscriptions. PlayStation Plus, and it'll bring you to the same page where you see your PlayStation Plus membership. So canceling your PlayStation Plus subscription and turning off auto renew on your PlayStation 5 is remarkably easy. This video did indeed help you out. Go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.